back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious, spicy shrimp. It's called Camarones a la Diabla. They come out delicious and they are perfect for Lent. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have chile guajillo, tomatoes, chiles de árbol, onion, salt, cloves, allspice, garlic cloves, and the shrimp. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing spicy camarones a la Diabla. Let's prepare them at home and enjoy them with our family. So let's get started. I am ready to start with my chiles guajillos. I have taken the stems off. I took all the seeds off. My pan is nice and hot. I have a little bit of vegetable oil and I am going to fry them. And it really doesn't take too long. Once they start releasing the flavor, infusing the oil, that it's changing colors, and it starts getting a bright red, that means your chiles guajillos are ready to be removed. Be careful because they could easily burn. Once you start smelling the flavor of the chile guajillo and you start flipping them, look at that. They start getting bright red. Just leave them just a little longer and then you could really see the oil getting nice and infused with the delicious flavor of the guajillo chili. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long. Your home starts smelling amazing with this aroma of the guajillo chili. Oh my gosh. My family is already tempted to come in and see what am I cooking. This salsita comes out amazing. Well, these are completely done. Let me remove them because I don't want to burn them here. And then I am going to add the garlic and the chiles de árbol. Remember, add just enough chiles de árbol. You don't want to overdo it, okay? Here at home, we love spicy food, but even if you just add 3 chiles de árbol, this sauce really comes out delicious. The chile guajillo and the combination of the garlic and the chiles de árbol, perfection, made at home. Well, I'm just going to cook my garlic until it's golden brown, and it really doesn't take too long. Do not walk away. Make sure that you're near your stove so that you could remove the garlic once they are done. Look at this. I am going to remove them, and right after removing them, I am going to add the onion and the tomatoes. We want to cook the onion and the tomato together so that the onion starts getting caramelized, but yet the tomatoes are getting nice and cooked, getting soft, getting a little brown on them. This is the part that really takes a little longer. Make sure you add your allspice and your cloves in here so that they start getting cooked. Let me show you the shrimp. I have deveined the shrimp. It's really cleaned. I cleaned it very good. On the bottom of the dish, I added some paper napkins so that they absorb the liquid of the shrimp. You want to make sure that the shrimp is dry. Look at this. The onion is already getting a little caramelized. The tomatoes are getting a little soft, and that's exactly how you want it. Once this is getting just the way it is, then be ready to remove it and add everything to the rest of the ingredients. I have all the ingredients here. Now I'm ready to start adding them to my blender. I'm gonna add everything in here. Look at this. The aroma all these ingredients bring out, your home really smells amazing. Like I said, if you don't love spicy food, just add 2 or 3 chiles de árbol, and you don't need too much. And these drippings, I'm not gonna throw away. I'm gonna add some hot water, about 1 to 2 cups of hot water, and then I'm just gonna add it to my blender. Now I'm ready to add the salt. Remember that the salt is to taste, but remember to always leave 2 garlic behind, because you don't want to cook those 2 garlic. Those 2 garlic really gives this sauce an amazing flavor. Make sure that you blend it for just a couple minutes, because we're not going to put it through a strainer. We're going to add it just as is. And here, there's still a little bit of oil on the bottom. I'm going to add my shrimp, and you know that the shrimp really doesn't take too long before it starts getting nice and pink. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. You still want your shrimp to barely be turning a little pink before you start adding the delicious sauce. Okay, now I'm ready to add the sauce. Look at this. The chile guajillo, it's such an amazing chili. It gives this sauce an amazing taste. Remember to taste it, just in case you need to add a little more salt. Once it starts boiling from the center, just like this, then it's ready. Let's start preparing our delicious plate so that we have it ready for the presentation. And of course, I am ready to enjoy this delicious camarones a la diabla. I'll see you in just a little bit. Diabla. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and amazing camarones a la diabla. These camarones are spicy, but yet they're not too spicy where you cannot eat them and you cannot enjoy them. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Look at this. Of course, I want to get a little bit of everything. Excuse me. The sauce is so delicious. You guys need to try it. You need to make it at home and enjoy it with your family. Definitely something that you need to try. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.